Welcome to a new update, and today it's the big day FOMC meeting, as it's going to be decided how many hikes we're going to get today. But more importantly, we are going to hear what the future outlook will be. Lots of discussions about that topic, and that's what we're going to discuss in this short update. Also, if you want to know everything about the FOMC meeting tonight, 6:45 p.m., I'll be going live to cover the FOMC statement and also to cover Powell's speech, which will be at 7:30 p.m. And then I'll be covering my theory about the markets and also the market reaction. So tune in tonight. Also, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you enjoy the content. And before we continue, also make sure to check out our 1 month free membership giveaway. If you sign up through our affiliate link of Bybit, and you deposit 1K and make one trade, you can get $100 for free and 1 month for free at our premium membership. So when we're talking about the FOMC meeting of tonight, it's obviously very important to know what they are going to do. The expectations are that we're going to get 75 bips, but the future outlook is the most important effect there. We know that Biden has been saying that he wants to get another policy. He wants to see an adjustment. Elizabeth Warren has been doing that, and we got the whistleblowers saying that they will most likely pause the actual hiking because it's going too fast and the economy is getting into the wrong direction or having an impact based on the hike. So what do we see in the markets? What are we expecting, and what do we need to know about the event tonight? Let's hop towards the charts. So when we're discussing important events, it's definitely there that the non-farm employment change is something to watch today, but all the focus is on the actual FOMC statement tonight. So the federal funds rate is currently at 3.25%. The expectations are that we're going to get a rate hike of 75 bips, resulting into the federal funds rate going towards 4%. And the statement will be released at 2 p.m. for us in the Netherlands. It's 7 p.m. Then 30 minutes later, we're going to have the press conference, and the future outlook is the most important effect to look at, because that will decide whether or not he's dovish or hawkish. Whether he remains hawkish, we're going to get a very big impact on the markets. And when we are going to get a dovish one, or he's saying that we might be pausing, that's going to have a tremendous effect on the markets. And then we're going to see a pretty heavy breakout. But what is most likely what we're going to see? Going into the event, we're seeing weakness across the markets. So we are seeing some downwards momentum here. When we are looking at the chart, we can see two obvious levels to watch. Every time when we're going to get a FOMC meeting, both sides getting squeezed, and then we get the actual move taking place on the markets. We have been getting that previously as well. And in this case, I would not be surprised if we take out the low beneath 20k, if we take out the high above 21k, and then we start making the actual trend. If, for instance, Powell states that he will pause, then probably based on the FOMC release, we're going to drop beneath 20k and then start shooting off and get towards 22.4 in the next few days. If he says that he continues to hike, we probably bounce towards the highs and take the liquidity here and then start falling towards 19.6. So if you want to start looking for trades, beneath and above is definitely what you should be looking at, and you should also be relatively calm on the markets in itself. So avoid leverage trading, avoid tight stops, because everything will be taken out before the actual move starts to happen. And also the first move is usually a fake out, because Powell will be speaking 30 minutes later and having an impact on the markets from there. So if I'm looking at the markets for Bitcoin at this point, I think that beneath this low or in this range, I'd definitely be interested into longs. I'm not favoring shorts too much because of the simple facts that I think that the policy is going to be adjusted. When we're looking at the yields, this is the one to watch as well. If he remains dovish, we're going to see a fall here. We got the bearish divergence taking place, and that should be resulting into further downwards momentum. So stay calm into the markets. You can make a lot of money, and I think that those levels, as I've given you, are important to watch if you want to do so. And always remain calm and just tune in to that live stream, and I'll see you again tonight. I hope you have been enjoying this small update. Tonight I'll be live at 6:45 p.m. So be there, stay tuned, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you again later today.